Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on crypto withdrawals with Gate.io, complete guide step by step clearly. To save on crypto withdrawals with Gate.io, start by creating your account. Visit the Gate.io website and click on the sign up button. Fill in the required details and verify your email address. Once your account is created, complete the identity verification process. This might include submitting identification documents for compliance. Make sure to secure your account with two-factor authentication. Next, deposit cryptocurrency into your Gate.io wallet. You can fund your account using various methods like bank transfers or other crypto assets. Take a moment to check the withdrawal fees for the specific cryptocurrency you plan to use. Different cryptocurrencies have different withdrawal fees on Gate.io. Consider using Gate.io's native token, GT, to reduce fees. Holding GT can provide you with discounts on your withdrawal fees. Familiarize yourself with the withdrawal limits for the cryptocurrencies. Gate.io typically has different limits based on your account's verification level. Plan your withdrawals accordingly to stay within these limits. Before withdrawing, check for any ongoing promotions or fee discounts. Gate.io occasionally offers promotional periods where fees may be lowered. When you are ready to withdraw, navigate to the Withdraw section on the platform. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to withdraw. Enter the amount you want to withdraw and the recipient's wallet address. Double-check the wallet address to avoid errors. Review the withdrawal fees displayed before confirming the transaction. Complete any additional security verifications to finalize the withdrawal. Track your transaction within the Gate.io interface to monitor its processing status. If you encounter any issues, utilize Gate.io's customer support for assistance. By following these steps, you can effectively save on crypto withdrawals with Gate.io. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.